We compared the serving sizes of 6 of the most popular brands of sweet tea, and here's what we found. The average macronutrient profile for a 12-ounce serving of sweet tea will run you Hi, my name is Mackenzie, and welcome to What's in Your Food Wednesday, where we break down the facts about your favorite foods. Today's food for thought, sweet tea. Obviously, meemaw's secret family recipe will be spared from today's adventure. But so you know, a traditional sweet tea recipe calls for a 1-to-1 cup ratio of water and sugar, meaning it is equal parts tea and sugar. So instead, we compared the serving sizes of 6 of the most popular brands of sweet tea, and here's what we found. The average macronutrient profile for a 12-ounce serving of sweet tea will run you 98 calories, 0 grams of fat, 34 milligrams of sodium. There will be 25 grams of carbs with an average of 25 grams of added sugars, and also, sadly, there are 0 grams of protein. It's worth noting that there wasn't a significant number of vitamins or minerals listed for any of the brands, and thus not assisting you digestively or metabolically in any fashion. However, most did have a small dose of caffeine, which could possibly aid in making you feel more alert. Lastly, but certainly not least, the average macronutrient profile for a 12-ounce serving of sweet tea meets one of the 3 components for hyperpalatability, meaning it is incredibly hard to get yourself to stop eating it even if you are satiated. Today, we are asking ourselves, was it worth it? Sweet tea edition. So you guys may remember that the average macronutrient profile for a 12-ounce serving of sweet tea is as follows. So we hear people rationalize all the time when they decide to indulge, oh, I'll just burn that off tomorrow. But how much time and effort would it actually take to do that? To burn off 2 12-ounce servings of sweet tea, it will take you So now that you know the facts, you tell me, was it worth it? Thank you guys for joining me today. Follow me more for next week, and remember, what's in your food is up to you.